Good morning to everyone. In our previous classes, you have already learned the fractions, types of fractions, right? What is the types? You have to learn in the previous classes. Yes, like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fractions and non-unit fractions, right? The like fractions has same denominator and unlike fractions has different denominators, numbers, and unit fractions has 1 at the numerator and non-unit fractions is a opposite of unit fraction. So now the continuation types of fractions, proper fractions and improper fractions and mixed fractions and equivalent fractions. Let us see what is the types of fractions. The first one is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? In a proper fraction, the numerator is always smaller than the denominator. Already you have to learn what is numerator and what is denominator. In this fraction, this is a numerator and this is a denominator. And what is the definition of proper fraction? Yes, the numerator is always smaller than the denominator. Right? Let's see. 1 by 5. This is numerator and this is denominator. The numerator is 1 and denominator is 5. In these two numbers, the 1 is smaller number. That means the numerator is smaller than 5, which is denominator. So 1 by 5 and 3 by 8. And in this 3 by 8, the 3 is a smaller number which is numerator and it is a greater number than this number which is denominator, and 2 in this 2 by 7, 2 is a smaller number, 7 is a greater number, right? So these are called proper fraction, and this is 1 by 2, 2 is a greater number, so 1 is a smaller number. So what is proper fraction? The numerator is always smaller. In this proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Numerator is smaller than denominator, that is called proper fraction. And improper fractions. This name is also said. What is improper fraction? It is always improper fraction is always greater. The numerator is greater than denominator. It is always opposite of proper fraction. This improper, this name is also said improper. That means not a proper, not improper. Improper means not improper. So what is proper? In proper fraction is numerator is smaller, but improper is a opposite of proper. That means the numerator is bigger or greater number. So what is improper fraction? In a improper fraction, the numerator is always greater. The numerator is greater than denominator. In improper fraction, the numerator is always greater than denominator. So this name is also said. Improper means the opposite of proper fraction. What is proper fraction? The numerator is greater than the denominator. And what is improper fraction? The numerator is greater number. In this proper fraction, the numerator is smaller. In improper fraction, the numerator is greater number. Examples are 5 by 1 and 8 by 3, 7 by 2 and 11 by 6. This is the numerator and it is a denominator. Here, the numerator is greater number. 5 is a greater than 1. That means 5 is a greater number. So, this is a improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is greater than the denominator. And this proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper, the smaller numerator, and improper, the numerator is smaller. In improper, the numerator is greater. And next one is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Yes, the whole number and the proper fraction, the called mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? A whole number plus a proper fraction is known as mixed fraction. For example, 1 by 2. In this fraction, the 1 is a whole number, right? The 1 is a whole number and 1 by 2. 1 is a smaller number than 2. That means numerator is smaller. Numerator, if the numerator is smaller, that is a proper fraction. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a proper fraction and 1 is a whole number. So these two numbers are called, this fraction is called mixed fraction. Yes, this fraction is mixed with the whole number and proper fraction. So in this example, 1 is a whole number and 2 is a smaller than 3. So if the numerator is smaller, that is a proper fraction. So this is a 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. So whole number plus the proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Here also 3 is smaller than 4. That is, this is a proper fraction. So 1 is a whole number. So whole number and the proper fraction is 2. This fraction is also called mixed fraction. So what is mixed fraction? A whole number plus a proper fraction is known as mixed fraction. So first let us see, we will take this 3 by 4. Let us convert this number. 1 plus 3 by 4. So this is the whole number plus the proper fraction. Let us convert this number. Yes. So 4 ones are 4 plus 3 by 4. So 7 by 4. In this 7 by 4, 7 is a greater number. If the numerator is greater, that is the improper fraction. If the numerator is greater, that is a improper fraction. That means the mixed fraction is converted into the improper fraction. It is also called improper fraction, and this mixed fraction is converted into the improper fraction. 7 by 4. Next one, equivalent fraction. These are the special fractions. Let's see what is the equivalent fractions. It has the same value or it represents the same part of a whole. Let's see. We have 3 circles and it can be divided 2 parts. So we shaded one part, that means 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 is a taken part and 2 is a whole part. Next, in these circles we are dividing 4 parts. So shaded parts are 1 and 2. So we will write 2 by 4. Here the shaded parts are 1, 2, 3. The total parts are 6. So 3 by 6. 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6. Let's see, is these the equivalent fractions? 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. These are equivalent fractions. How? Let us see, 1 by 2, that equal to, there are 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 and into 3. So here first the 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 at numerator and denominator, and here 1 by 2 is divided by 2 at the numerator and denominator. Here 1 by 2 is divided by 3 at numerator and denominator, right? We are dividing with same number at the numerator and denominator. Here 1 by 2 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. It will comes 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So these are equal fractions, right? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So these are equal fractions. We are multiplied same number if the both numerator and denominator. So we get the same fractions. So that is called this 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 is called equivalent fractions, right? It can be represents the same value. Yes, it can represent the same value 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So these are called equivalent fractions. These are very special fractions in the types of fractions. So let us see once again types of fractions. Proper fraction. In this proper fraction, what is this? What is the proper fraction? The numerator is smaller number. The numerator is smaller. And in improper fraction, yes, the numerator is greater than denominator. In proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than denominator. In improper fraction, the numerator is greater than denominator. And mixed fraction. A whole number plus with the proper fraction is known as a mixed fraction. And equivalent fractions. It has the same value or represents the same part of a whole. Right? It is a 1 by 2 and here we will take the 1 by 2 part and here we will take the same part. This is a half part and this is a half of the taken parts. So we will take the same parts of a whole in the equivalent fractions. So these are the types of fractions. First one is like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fractions, non-unit fractions and proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction and equivalent fractions. So I hope you understand what is the types of fractions. Next class we will learn next stage of this fractions. Okay children, we will meet in the next class. Bye.